Well, I'll tell you what, there's not often opportunities as good as this one. At the end of the cul-de-sac, within the Monterey Keys Estate, and so much more to see. Go inside, we'll check it out.
So this property is the perfect blank canvas. It's original condition, but it's move-in ready, and the perfect chance for you to put your own spin on it.
The main opportunity is outside with over 760 square meters of flat land and room to do whatever you like. We can't wait to show you through this one. See you there.
Take a chance, see the light.